Me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert emojis into Google Sheets. So if you need to add emoji to your Google Sheets, let's say I want to add emoji in here, what you need to do is just go to where you want to insert the emoji, and then click on insert at the top, and you'll find when you scroll down there will be this emoji option. So tap on that and the emoji box will pop up. Let's try again. This one emoji. I don't know why. Let's try again. Okay, let's try on another tab. Let's try in here. You can tap on insert and emoji. So in here you can just select the emoji that you want to add. For example, like this, and just like that, the emoji will be inserted into the cells. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.